Good morning, Compass families, scholars, and learning coaches. Melissa here, your middle school coordinator, along with my sidekick, Ziggy, here with this week's Monday morning message. Semester 1 ends on January 31st, just a week and a half away. We are in the home stretch now, and it is time to work your hardest to finish out the semester strong. You might want to think about putting in a few extra hours this week to get all the work done you can. Your teachers are all here to help you succeed, but you need to reach out to them to create a plan. You can totally do this. I have faith in you, and so does Ziggy. On February 1st, your new semester 2 classes will begin. You will get a new elective class, which is super exciting, and you will have a fresh start in each of your other classes. Your grades reset and fresh start. So we are super excited for semester 2. We are super excited for you to finish out semester 1 really strong. So have a great week. Good luck. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.